Fill in the blanks. A. The blanks tag displays text in italics. Answer, I tag. B. The tag is used to define a paragraph in HTML. Answer, P tag. C. An HTML code always begins with and ends with tag. Answer, opening HTML and closing HTML tag. D. Empty tags do not have a tag. Answer, closing tag. E. The tag is an empty tag and is used to force a line break in HTML. Answer, BR tag. F. The attribute of the body tag is used to change the background color. Answer, BG color tag. 2. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. A. HTML is case sensitive. Answer, cross. B. Providing attributes with tags is optional. Answer, cross. C. The body tag allows the title tag to be used. Answer, cross. D. The background attribute of the body tag allows you to change the background color of a web page. Answer, cross. E. HTML file do not need extension. Answer, cross. F. The face attribute of the body tag allows you to change the font of the web page. Answer, cross. Three. Tick the correct option. A. To fill up background of a web page, which attribute of the body tag is used? Correct option is BG, color. B. The default color of text in a web page is? Correct option is black. C. Which among the following tag is used to create a subscript? Correct option is sub tag. D. What is the default alignment of a paragraph? Correct option is left. E. How many headers can you have in a HTML page? Correct option is 6. 4. Short answer type questions. A. Give the full form of HTML. Answer, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. B. What is the use of HTML? Answer, HTML is used for website creation. It is used to provide structure to a web page and make it accessible to users of the internet through text, visual formatting, and search factors. HTML is commonly known as the most basic building block of the web page. C. What is a web page? Answer, a web page is a document that is suitable for the World Wide Web and web browser. It contains the information. These pages are written in HTML and translated by web browsers and can be viewed on any web browser. It contained within the web server which can be accessed by entering the URL for that web page. It appears on the user's web browser. Each web page is linked with a unique URL. D. What is a website? Answer, a website is a collection of related web pages. These pages are written using HTML. To make the website available to every person in the world, it must be stored or hosted on a web server, connected to the internet, round the clock. E. What are the two types of HTML tags? Answer. The two types of tag are container tag as opening closing HTML and empty tag as BR. F. Write HTML tags according to the following requirements. 1. Change the background color of the web page to blue and text color to red. Answer. Body BG color equals blue, font color equals red, enter the text, font close, body close. 2. Insert the image named butterfly.jpg as background image of a web page. Answer. Body background equals butterfly.jpg under double quotation marks. 3. Add a comment. My first HTML page. Answer. My first web page, with exclamation sign. 4. Add a title. Programming in HTML as title of the page. Answer. Title. Programming in HTML title close. 5. Long answer type questions. A. Explain with the help of an example the significance of having an attribute to a tag. Answer. HTML tags can also have attributes that provides additional information about an element. For example, the body tag may have the BG color attribute. B. State the difference between the head tag and the body tag. Answer. In HTML, the opening and closing head tag contains general information like the title of our document, and the opening and closing body tag holds all our content, our words, picture, artwork, and other stuff. C. What is the extension of an HTML file? Also state methods of opening a HTML document through your browser. Answer. HTML files has the extension is filename.html or .htm, the methods of opening a HTML document through browser. Method 1. Go to the relevant folder, through Windows Explorer, and double-click on the required file. Method 2. Right-click on the destination file, a drop-down menu opens up, choose the Open with option, then select any one browser. Method 3. Open a browser and use the keyboard combination, Ctrl+O, a Open File dialog box will appear, select the required file, then click the Open button. D. What are comments in HTML? How is it given in a code? Answer. The browser ignores any text placed inside the comment, and no output is given for the text. This is actually a comment. Comments help other programmers understand the code. Comments in HTML, the text with exclamation sign. Code of the comments are. E. Explain the significance of the following tags. 1. B tag. Answer. It is used to make the text bold. The opening and closing B tag specifies bold text. 2. I tag. Answer. The opening and closing I tag defines a part of text is typically displayed in italic. 3. U tag. Answer. The opening and closing U tag represent some text or content that is typically displayed with an underline. F. State the difference between superscript and subscript tag. Answer. The superscript feature is used to raise a character or group of characters above a line of text on the web page, and in subscript it is used to lower a character or group of characters below a line of text on a web page. The opening and closing SUP tag is used for superscripting, and opening and closing SUB tag is used for subscripting. The code is used to superscript and subscript in HTML. Would you like to know more interesting information? In this channel you will find engaging facts. If you like this video, visit to this channel and type the comment in comment section. If you found that this tutorial helpful, do like and subscribe. Watch other tutorials by IQIT Krishnenda channel. Thanks for watching.